Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a light trail effect that you may have seen in music videos like the Jack Boys videos, in a bunch of Travis Scott videos. It's become increasingly popular over the past few years, so I thought I'd teach you. I'm also going to make a tutorial on how to do this for photos, so if you guys want that, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and comment below so I know. When it comes to photos, I use this a lot during concerts, and in general, you want to use this effect in the nighttime. It just looks a lot better because the lights get illuminated and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to show you how to do this in the daytime as well, but there's a little bit of different settings you have to do before you can do that. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and with that being said, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on your phone first because I feel like more people use their phone. So I'm using an app called Yamera. You guys can probably find a better app, but most of them are paid. So the app is basically a manual video camera app. When you go onto it, you want to press on exposure and go to custom. So this is like custom settings, manual settings, and you literally just want to adjust the shutter speed. So usually when you want to capture something that's moving fast, the shutter speed is going to be higher. So right now my shutter speed on my camera is 1/80. And it's so low because I'm just sitting still, right? I'm not moving a bunch. And what you'll notice is when you decrease the shutter speed, so I'm actually going to do it right now. So this is increasing it. You can see it gets darker. If you decrease it, it gets super bright. And so you have to offset this somehow. So that's why we need a manual camera app. So you can either decrease the ISO, which it already is at its lowest point, or if you're on your camera, you can also increase the f-stop. So right now it's at 1.4. And you can see now it's lighted perfectly fine, but it's laggy as hell. So that's essentially how you create this effect. And the reason why it's better at nighttime is because you don't have to adjust the f-stop like this. It'll just be at its normal f-stop that you usually set it at. On this particular app, I don't think you can actually adjust like the exposure because the ISO right now is at its lowest point on my camera right now, but it's still super bright. And iPhones don't really have like other f-stops. Like it just has one lens, and I don't think you can adjust the f-stop of this lens. So it'll be harder to do this on your iPhone. It probably will only work at night, or if you're fine with the image being very bright. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. This is very basic stuff. I think it just looks really cool. So once again, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.